Ever heard the myth that yawning cools your brain? Well, let's dive into this yawner of a theory. Is it true? Spoiler alert, not really, but close. Research suggests that yawning might help regulate brain temperature. What holds your horses? The evidence is mixed, so it's not exactly a cool conclusion. So while yawning might help chill you out, don't expect it to replace your air conditioner. If you found this enlightening, let's keep the discussion rolling. If you liked this, subscribe to your Daily Bites because you're clearly too smart for boring videos.